afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 63. The instruction to this question says, choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question from number 41 to 70. And to number 63, the statement here says, my brother packed dash apple and biscuits in my lunch box. My brother packed dash apple and biscuits in my lunch box. Option A say A. Option B say a few. Option C say an. Option D say some. Option E say the. Now we cannot use option A because the dash here, the space here, the word that follows the space is apple, and by the rule of grammar, that is grammatical rule, when you have a vowel or that begins with vowel letter and sound the same in its vowel form, then an is used. So it is wrong to say a apple. It is wrong to say the apple, although depend on the situation. But A as an article, we cannot use A as an article in this expression. We cannot use the as an article in this expression because we don't know the apple that the speaker is talking about. Then we cannot use a few because there is no S attached to apple here. Despite that there is S attached to biscuits, our interest is not on the biscuits. Biscuits here is just a conjunctional word. That's why there is this conjunction that connect apple with biscuits. So biscuit is already in plural form, but we need an article that will enable us to pronounce this word apple correctly. So we cannot use a few, we cannot say a, we cannot say the, we cannot say some. It's an apple. So option C is correct. So we can now say that my brother packed an apple and biscuits in my lunch box. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.